This is the Musubi Press Mold Kit, an 8-in-1 set designed to make creating musubi, onigiri, sushi, and bento-style meals easier and more fun at home. The kit includes multiple molds and accessories, giving you a variety of ways to shape rice and ingredients into neat, consistent portions. Along with the traditional musubi mold, you'll also find heart and triangle molds that can add a creative touch to lunches, snacks, and meal prep. One feature I really like is the included luncheon meat slicer, which helps create evenly sized slices that fit neatly into musubi. It can make the preparation process faster and help achieve a more uniform presentation. The non-stick design is another convenient feature. It helps rice release more easily from the molds, making shaping and assembly simpler, especially for beginners who are new to making musubi or onigiri. Whether you're preparing Hawaiian-style musubi, rice balls, sushi-inspired snacks, or colorful bento box meals, this kit offers multiple options for creating attractive homemade food presentations. The compact pieces are easy to store, clean, and reuse, making them a practical addition to any kitchen for everyday cooking or special meal preparation. If you're looking for an easy way to create musubi, onigiri, and bento-style foods at home, the Musubi Press Mold Kit provides a versatile collection of tools that can help make food preparation more enjoyable and creative.